In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple leaf composter for your garden. Hey everyone, welcome to Dee's Planet. My name is Devki. If this is your first time on my channel, let me tell you, this channel is all about sustainable lifestyle, one small step at a time. So why leaf composter? As you know, this is the season when trees shed their leaves. If you have a garden with even a few trees, you would know managing the fallen dried leaves is quite a problem. Commonly, all these dry leaves are collected at one point and set on fire. But burning of leaves has its own problems. When you burn leaves, it releases gases such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, which are both greenhouse gases which lead to global warming. Actually, dry leaves is an amazing resource. So why waste it by burning it down? Dry leaves are a rich source of carbon. When we compost these dry leaves, we are sending it back into the soil and the soil becomes carbon rich. And such carbon rich soil can absorb large amounts of water, especially during heavy monsoons. So basically, when we compost our dry leaves, we are basically avoiding flooding situation on our premises. So it's like hitting two birds in one shot. Isn't that cool? Let's directly dive into the process to understand how we can easily build a leaf composter such as this. Measure about 3 inches on the metal wire and cut using pliers. Make about 7 to 8 such pieces from the metal wire. These small pieces are going to be used to hold our leaf composter together. Now I've put the wire mesh on the ground and folded it in a way that the two ends come together. Leave about 3 to 4 inches overlap because this entire structure has to be able to stand firmly on the ground. Start tying it all together by passing the small wire pieces we had cut earlier. Use pliers to twist the two ends to make it tight and continue until you reach the end of the wire mesh. And voila, your leaf composter is ready. Time to set it up in the garden. So always remember, a leaf composter should be kept on a flat surface directly on the ground. So here's the simple 3-step process to get started. Step 1. Add dry leaves. You can also add dry flowers from God offerings. Step 2. Add the starter. Here I am adding a plate full of ready compost, but you can also add a cup of curd or buttermilk or garden soil or dry cow dung or even dry starch water. Step 3. Add water. Use a pipe and make sure that you wet all the dry leaves. And that's it. You're done. You can keep adding more dry leaves to your leaf composter until it fills up completely. Use a long stick to push the leaves to make space. It takes about 8 to 10 months for leaf compost to form fully. But you can start harvesting leaf mulch, which is the half composted dry leaves, in just around 6 months from the base here. I will be updating the status of my leaf composter in the future videos of Dee's Planet, so stay tuned. Only 2 things to remember. Number 1, make sure you keep your leaf composter moist. So add water once every 2 days if you're in a humid place like me, or every day if you are in a dry place. So monsoons are good for your leaf composter. Number 2, add any one starter every week. So that's it for today, guys. I do hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click on that like button and remember to share this knowledge with your friends and family so that we can help save more dry leaves from burning. If you would like to see more videos on adopting a sustainable lifestyle, then please click on that red subscribe button down below. Do remember to click on that bell icon because that will give you notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time, and until next time, bye-bye.